Your name shine, break every
If
strong.
I had only known the last time would be the last time. I stayed a little longer, a little time. There's a wound here in my heart that and they tell me that it's gonna heal. I know you're in a place where all your wounds have been healed. When yours are the only scars in heaven won't belong to me. There'll be no such thing as broken. All the old is being moved. The thought that makes me smile now. Even as the tears fall down, the only scars in heaven from the hands of your
The Bible tells us in Ephesians 1:3
Kabilang Ephesus 2
that we, the children of God, we are blessed with every spiritual blessing in the heavenly places in Christ Jesus.